Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hi everybody, so we gotta find how much current is carried by this beam and how fast would a car have to move to carry the same kinetic energy, okay? So here we're given 2 times 10 to the 14 protons. We're also given the kinetic energy of the TE. Oh, it would help if I put the number for everybody. So the 4 TeV, there you go, tetravolts, and we have the radius given to us as 4.3 kilometers. And we're also given the mass of a car, which is 1,500 kilograms, okay? And now we can mark this off, just so you know where I have some of my values, and I'll leave it there for a second. So here we have current equals N E, and this is the charge of electron over time. And now we have this equation. We have velocity times N pi R T, and we want to solve for the T, so we end up switching around. Okay, so now we can plug this into here. So we have I equals N E, the electron, 2 pi R V, which ends up being NeV, 2 pi R, okay? And the pi is this form. I just write my pi's like this. So I learned this from my physics professor who was Greek, and he used to write his, and since he was Greek, he kind of shorthanded his own writing. So if you're curious why I write my pi's weird, I just do. It's just fast. Sometimes it's just faster to write it that way. So 2 times 10 to the 14th, and that's what we were given, the protons. And now we have the electron, so 1.6 times 10 to the 19th current. And then we have the speed of the particle, which is 3 times 10^8 meters per second, divided by 2 pi times 4.3 times 10 to the third meter. Okay, and if you plug this into your calculator, we're going to get 0.36, and it's going to be amps. Okay, and C, you have this, and you have C over S. That's going to be your amps, okay? And now for B, it's asking about kinetic energy with the mass of the car. So we have kinetic energy equals 4 TeV, and we need this into joules. So what we can do is actually times it by 1.6 times 10 to the 7th joule over 1 TeV, okay? And you're going to get 6.4 times 10 to the negative 7th joule. Now we can find the speed, because it wants to know how fast, okay? So, and that we have this equation, 2 times kinetic energy, and I'll put kinetic energy in the parentheses, or brackets, and the mass of the car. So here we can do 2 times 6.4 times 10 to the negative 7th power joules times 1500 kg, your kilograms, and plug it all in. You're going to get 2.92 times 10 to negative 5 meters per second. Okay, and that's your answer for that, guys.